To leave a chat group on Facebook Messenger, possibly their messages keep popping up and distracting you even when you want to focus on other things that are more important, or the contents of the chats are not aligning to your personal values. Simply open your Messenger app and then you locate the very chat group you want to get out of. So what to do is to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left hand corner of the Messenger, and you scroll down a bit and you're going to see the Facebook groups you belong to. So you open it up and leave that group you want to actually leave. So let's say I want to leave this group, PWDs Rand HQ. I will tap on it and open it up, then tap on it again. Okay, so it has opened up. Then I will go ahead and tap on the portion which says share your opinion, which is at the top, and then I'll scroll down until I see the option leave chat. So because I want to leave this chat group, I will simply tap on leave chat. It will ask me to either leave the chat, mute the chat, or cancel. That is changing my decision. But I'm bent on leaving this chat group, so I will tap on leave chat. And I've left the chat. So can you see it's telling me to tap to join, but I'm not interested. So this is how you leave chat groups on Messenger if it's becoming a nuisance to you. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of our subsequent content. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.